Morning everybody. Today I am going to discuss about this map. This is 3 series map. Here you see the upper part Holocene era is one series. Next Pliocene is next series, and last one is the Eocene. This is 3 series of map, 1, 2 and 3. So with the help of this index you can easily identify the unconformity line. So first thing is to identify the unconformity. So this is the marl bed and this is the limestone. The ending of the limestone bed and the starting of grit. लाइमस्टोन बेड का जो जहाँ ख़त्म हो गया और ग्रिड जहाँ शुरू हुआ है, इस दोनों के बीच जो लाइन है नॉन इरोशन एंड नॉन डिपोजिशनल लाइन, उस लाइन को सिलेक्ट करना है. तो लाइमस्टोन इज दिस इज द लाइमस्टोन, दिस लाइन इज लाइमस्टोन. सो एट फर्स्ट यू नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई द अनकन्फर्मिटी लाइन. हियर इज अनकन्फर्मिटी लाइन. This is the unconformity line, and another unconformity line is Pliocene, grit and slate. स्लेट जहाँ ख़त्म हो गया और शेल जहाँ शुरू हुआ है, इन दोनों इस शेल जहाँ स्लेट जहाँ ख़त्म हो गया, तो स्लेट कहाँ ख़त्म हो गया वो आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है. फाइंड आउट द एंडिंग लाइन और लोअर लाइन ऑफ स्लेट बेड. This is the upper line of slate, this is the lower line of slate. So lower line of slate need to identify. Slate. This is the slate bed, this is the slate. So this is the new another unconformity. ये है अनकन्फर्मिटी और ये सेम है, तो ये भी होगा अनकन्फर्मिटी लाइन. ओके, दिस इज 2 अनकन्फर्मिटी लाइन वी हैव आइडेंटिफाई. सो अनकन्फर्मिटी लाइन आपको आप कैसे आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो, ये है एक तरीका कि आप एरा को आइडेंटिफाई करना है कौन सा एरा है. और another thumb rule is the ending line, suddenly ending line of the bed. See, this bed suddenly end here, this bed suddenly disappear here along this line, this bed suddenly disappear along this line, this bed also suddenly disappear along this line, this bed suddenly disappear this line, this bed suddenly disappear here, suddenly disappear here. So that is why this line is unconformity line. Okay, now we need to draw the profile. तो प्रोफाइल ड्रॉ करने के लिए आपको एक पेज चाहिए या पेज का टुकड़ा चाहिए. इसमें ये है हमारा सेक्शन लाइन ए एंड बी. along this line all the beds and contour line identified. This is A, this is a bedding line, this is 1100, this is unconformity 1, this is 900, this is bed, this is unconformity 2, this is 700, this is 600, this is 600, this is bed, this is 600, this is bed, this is 700, this is 800, this is unconformity line, unconformity 2, this is 800, this is bed, this is 900, this is bed, this is ending point. नाउ ये आपको ड्रॉ करना है। ये है ये है बी। ये आप पेंसिल से कर सकते हो, कलरिंग पेन से कर सकते हो, जो भी है आपका मन में, आपका मर्जी। ये आपको ड्रॉ करना है। तो हाईएस्ट पॉइंट क्या था? व्हाट इज द हाईएस्ट पॉइंट ऑफ आवर जियोलॉजिकल मैप? द हाईएस्ट वैल्यू वाज 1100. Okay. First thing is to identify the uncontinuity line. For this, we need to draw the straight line. Here you see the red one, uncontinuity 1. The contour line and the beading line are parallel together. Parallel. देखो यहाँ पर जो कंट्रोल लाइन है और जो अनकंटिन्यूटी लाइन है दोनों पैरेलल है, इसीलिए यहाँ पर कोई स्ट्राइक लाइन नहीं ड्रॉ करेंगे हम लोग। ये हॉरिजॉन्टल होगा। तो हॉरिजॉन्टल अनकंटिन्यूटी 1 होगा, हॉरिजॉन्टल, इसमें कोई डीप नहीं होगा, क्योंकि अनकंटिन्यूटी का जो लाइन है और जो कंट्रोल लाइन दोनों पैरेलल है। तो ये बन गया आपका अनकंटिन्यूटी 1 का, ये बन गया आपका अनकंटिन्यूटी 1। तो अनकंटिन्यूटी 1 के ऊपर जो बेड रहेंगे वो भी हॉरिजॉन्टल ही होगा। जैसे कि ये रेड बेड है, उसके ऊपर ये बेडिंग लाइन है। सो ये बेडिंग लाइन और रेड लाइन के बीच एक ही कंट्रोल लाइन पैरेलली जा रहा है, इसीलिए इसका थिकनेस होगा 0.1, यानी कि 100। एक ही कंट्रोल लाइन है इसलिए 100। अगर दो कंट्रोल लाइन यहाँ पर पैरेलल रहता तो उसका थिकनेस हो जाता 200। अगर तीन कंट्रोल लाइन पैरेलली यहाँ पर रहेंगे तो उसका थिकनेस हो जाएगा 300। सो इन दिस वे यू मे कैलकुलेट द थिकनेस ऑफ एनी जियोलॉजिकल बेड। पैरेलल, जो पैरेलल बेड होगा, जो हॉरिजॉन्टल बेड है, उसका थंब रूल यही है कि आप कंटूर के हिसाब से आपको थिकनेस आइडेंटिफाई करना है। यहाँ पर 100 थिकनेस है तो यहाँ पर 100 उठाइए। जस्ट यू मार्क द 100 पॉइंट। 100 मीन्स द 0.1। ओके, दिस इज द 0.1। विद द हेल्प ऑफ द सेट स्क्वायर यू मे इजीली ड्रॉ the horizontal bed. So this is the first step. Now you need to require to identify the strike line over the second uncontinuity line. Here you see this is 900. And this is 800. Here 700, 700. And here is another 800. 800, 800. स्ट्राइक लाइन ड्रॉ करने के लिए थंब रूल है, दो आपको सेम पॉइंट लेना है, सेम वैल्यू का 2 पॉइंट लेना है। सो इस दोनों को आपको जोड़ना है, 0.8 नॉट 0.8, 800। यू जस्ट ड्रॉ द लाइन 800 और ये आपका 700। दिस इज द स्ट्राइक लाइन। अनकॉन्वर्टेड के ऊपर स्ट्राइक लाइन ड्रॉ कर लिए हम लोगों ने। अभी इसको डीप लेना है, so you need to find out the deep. This is the deep along the section line. अनकॉन्वर्टेड का डीप है ये। Right, how? Just mark the unconverted point. This is what is the direction? Direction was, this is the 800 and this is 700. So this is 800, this is 700. So you just mark the point 1. I think you know about this, how to draw a deep. If you not identify these, then you go to my playlist. Everything is, I have already prepared on this, how to draw strike line, how to draw deep, how to identify thickness, all the things you may found in my previous videos. Okay, with the help of this deep, this is the deep, unconverted deep. With the help of this deep, we can easily identify the unconverted line. Okay, this is unconverted 2 and this is also unconverted true. Okay, just it a zigzag pattern, give a zigzag pattern, so we can easily identify the unconverted line. Or you may use the color line, color pen, which helps to easily identify the unconverted. So unconverted line is complete. Now we move forward from left to right side. There is another thumb rule. Whenever you draw any geological map, you follow either left to right side or right to left side. Now I'm here, I follow the left to right side. If we move left to right side, first this bed, we found this bed is appear. So on this bed we need to identify the strike line. This is the 600, 600, 600. The same value we need for drawing a strike line. This is 600 strike line and this is 700 value. So if one line you draw with the help of 2 point 600 600, then another line, if this is 600, then another line must drawn on 700 or 500. आपको ऊपर जाना है या नीचे आना है? 600 के ऊपर है 700, 700 का स्ट्राइक लाइन ड्रॉ करना है, इधर आपको 500 का, इधर आपको 500, 600 के नीचे है 500 और 600 के ऊपर है 700. तो यहाँ पर तो 500 है, ये है, आप इसमें भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हो और यहाँ पर 700 है, इसमें भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. तो आपको जस्ट सेट स्क्वायर की मदद से पैरेलली ड्रॉ करना होगा. ये आपने 600 का स्ट्राइक लाइन ड्रॉ कर लिया, तो सेट स्क्वायर की मदद से आप 500 और 700 दोनों जो भी आपका इच्छा हो वो ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. लेकिन 600 के बाद 900 आप ड्रॉ नहीं कर सकते हो. ओके, so this is the 500. So आपको अभी डीप लेना है. You just mark the deep. This is 500 and this is 600. Okay, you just mark the deep. This is 500, this is 600. So 500 जो जहाँ वैल्यू कम है उसके ऊपर आपको 0.1 नीचे की ओर मार्क करना है. उसके बाद सेट स्क्वायर की मदद से आपको लाइन ड्रा करना है. सो you just mark this point. This is 600 point, this is 500 point. So just mark the 500 point and just mark 0.1. What is the why 0.1? 0.1 means the 100 feet. This is 600, this is 500. So difference is 100. That is why the deep should be 100. With the help of this deep, this is the deep. You have already prepared this deep. So with the help of this deep, you can easily identify the bedding line. This is one bedding line. Just mark the bedding line. Okay. So this is complete in left side. But here you see we mark this bedding line. And this bedding line and this bedding line under the unconformity. Here you see this is your bedding line and under the unconformity another others bedding line, that is this bedding line and this bedding line, disappear. So you need to identify the disappear line. How you identify? You just need to identify the thickness of this bed and this bed. If you identify these two bed, thickness of these two bed, then you easily identify the disappear bed. So we find out the disappear bed in later. At first we need to complete the cutting point. Here is another cutting point, another cutting point. This is this bed and this bed. So we need to draw another straight line over this bed. This is 600, this is 600. Just draw the line 600, 600. This is the 600, 600, and this is 500. This is 500. Okay. This is 500. This is 500. This is the new deep because it is another limb of this bed. So we need to calculate the deep. This is 500, this is 600. So this is 600, this is 500. So 500, the lower value you need to mark the 0.1. Just this is 600, this is 500. The slope should be higher value to lower value. That is why this 600 to 500, the deep was this. The trend of the deep is this, because this is 600 and this is 500. Slope always go from higher value to lower value. Now you need to mark the bed. See, this is the bed. Okay, and thickness of this bed is, what is the thickness? This is 600, this is 500, this is 700 too. Thickness was 200. Okay. Now the cutting bed was now this bed and this line. So here also we required a deep. This is 600, 600. This is 600. This is 700. So this deep also required for the ending line. This is 6, this is 700. Oh sorry, this is 600, this is 700. 600, 700. 600, you just mark the point 1 and draw the deep. Here you see the deep. Now we need to identify so with the help of this deep we may easily identify the bedding line. Here is the bedding line. So see here, and we by mistakenly we draw this line along this, but it should be here, it should be in this way. By mistakenly I mark the line over this. So parallelly just we need to mark the line. Here is the line, okay, and we need to remove this line. So if you use pen, then it is very difficult to erase this line. So geological map, whenever you draw geological map, you must use the pencil. Okay, our map is complete along the section line, but some hidden things we need to identify. You see, we draw the bedding line this, but this line disappear along the unconverted line. So we need to require to identify this line. How you identify? With the help of the thickness. We know the thickness of this bed is thickness is 300. So 300 means 0.3123. So this is the bedding line, and you just mark this is 0.3, just disappear unconverted line along the unconverted line. You see here this bed is disappear along the unconverted line. Another rules is projected method. You just draw this line, just joining the line, and with the help of this joining line you just fold your map and mark the point. This is B, this is, so this is the joining line. Just here you see two method is same. So you may choose your whatever your you may identify understand easy, then you select this method. So you just erase this bed. See the final impression. Another thing is, you see this bed, you see here this bed, if this bed is moved from here to here, then also it would be like this. So thickness of this bed is 2.2. This is the 0.2. With this is the div. This is the 0.2. Just mark the line. Okay. Now you see your map is ready in right side. See, this is the angle. Okay, how you confirm that your map is correct? It is easy to draw a limb along the axis of, see here, of the fold. All the fold axis, see here, meeting is a line. If one point is here, another point is here, another point is here, so this is not a linear line. If your bed, folded bedding line, the ये जो लिम्ब एक्सिस है, ये जहाँ पर मीट होता है बेड का, जहाँ पर मुड़ते हैं बेड, उसका पॉइंट अगर एक ही लाइन में मिल जाए तो आपका मैप सही है. With the help of this, you can easily identify your map is okay or not. So right side is complete. Now the left side. We know the thickness of this bed is 200 and this is 300. This is 200, this is 300. So 200.2 and 300. It far before 0.2. This is 0.2 and 300.3, 0.3. This is the complete map. Now you see this is the complete map. And here we need to give the symbol. This is the brick symbol. We give the symbol, then it complete. And this is uncounted one. This is a brick symbol. Oh, by mistake I have done. It was dot 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 dot. This is dot 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 dot. Dot dot value. And this is symbol. You just see and give the symbol. Is white. Just see and give symbol. See here. If you fold, then it would be help you to identify the symbol. We have completed this. Now this. Okay. Now this. If you fold the map, then it is easy to identify any symbol of the any geological map. Okay, our map is complete. Now we write down over geological section along the line AB and scale is 1 inch to 1000 feet, and draw a index on right side of the map. And one thing keep in your mind, how to identify the thickness. Very important thing in geological map, thickness. See, you see here, if we draw a strike line, this is the strike line. You see, this is the 500, go through this strike line, the upper bed cutting point is 700. That is why the difference is 200. So thickness is 200. Lower bed cutting value is 500. Upper bed cutting value is 700. So in a bed, the lower value and upper value